What do I know about zebra mussels? What are you doing, son? Just some stuff about zebra mussels. Oh, I know a lot about zebra mussels. They were nasty little pests. There were so many of them. They were hard to clean off the boats. The zebra mussels came from Poland, from a lake called Lake Miko, to the U.S. in the 1980s. The zebra mussels were an invasive species. In some parts of Lake Erie, the population of zebra mussels is as high as 70,000 per square meter. Zebra mussels can reproduce really fast. If you leave your boat alone in zebra mussels infested waters, then you'll wait after a couple of weeks, and you'll come back and your boat will be covered in zebra mussels, and you won't be happy. The zebra mussels genus is Dreissenia. Its scientific name is Dreissenia polymorpha, and its class is Bivalvia. Hi class, we'll be talking about zebra mussels today. They were introduced in the U.S. at Lake St. Clair. The zebra mussels were believed to have been carried in ballast tanks. These tanks were from Western Europe. The tanks were dumped into Lake St. Clair, and the population just went to Lake Erie to all over the Midwest region. Zebra mussels might filter water naturally, but they are clogging our pumping system that pumps the water to the house, and that's making it harder and harder for us to get all that water into your home. Zebra mussels might be helpful to plants down in the water because they're making the water more clear so the sunlight can get to them easier, but they also can damage water pumping, and that might be costly for us. The zebra mussels eat a lot of single-cell foods that many other fish eat, and this causes the fish to die from starvation because the zebra mussels can eat all this food really fast. This will make the fish population go down, and it will affect the fishermen because it will be harder for them to catch a fish. The zebra mussels' main food source went down by 80% when they came into their new habitat. Because of this, this could cause their food source to become extinct because they're eating so rapidly, and their competitors who are trying to eat their same food source. Hi, this is Local Lego News, and we are here to talk about zebra mussels. Here comes Derry Danson, and he's here to talk about the zebra mussels. The zebra mussels don't have any natural predators. Because zebra mussels are eating all the food, some animals like crayfish have to eat them for survival. The zebra mussels eat microscopic organisms like zooplankton. The zebra mussels have not changed the food web in the area for better, but they made it for worse. They've made the population of zooplankton go down 80%, but all the other organisms have stayed the same. Zebra mussels are successful in their new environment. I think this is because the female zebra mussel can reproduce easily because they have 40,000 eggs at a time, 4 times every breeding season. What do people do to try to stop the zebra mussels from spreading all over the U.S.? Hey, I found something. People say they found something that could kill all of the zebra mussels. It's just the problem is that if we put it in the water to try to kill them, it will pollute the water and kill other organisms instead of the zebra mussels. It is a bacterium. I found out off of my researching that chlorine and metal-based solutions are really good to kill zebra mussels. Also, a bacterium called Zeconox is good to kill zebra mussels, but it is illegal to put in open water. To keep the zebra mussels from leaving the lake is you should manually remove them from your boat. One other reason why the zebra mussels are so successful in their new environment is because they can eat all of that plankton really easily because it will be absorbed in their filter when they're filtering the water. Not to lie, zebra mussels have some good things about them, like they naturally filter water and they absorb the bad things in the water, but they eat too much of the zooplankton and it makes it hard for the other fish to eat and survive, so they have to adapt. And also they clog up our water pumps, so it's harder for us to pump because we have to clean it out all the time because zebra mussels are getting stuck in there. I have come to a conclusion that zebra mussels have done more bad than good. I hope you liked it. Bye.